second eliminations round. This will be the battle between the home team of Barangay San Jose facing off for your second battle, your Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Ball is on the air. Ball game is on the way. Here is now the first pass. Barangay San Jose almost got a turnover. They will keep the possession. 21 on the shot clock. Here's the drop inside. The shot is good. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the leader. Tayaga down on the wing. They'll look for a man. The shot for three. From down, three. Here's now Barangay San Jose back on the leader. Here's now Hopping. They kick it out. That shot for three. From down, three. Here's now the shot jumper getting out. Rebound. Here's now Barangay San Jose back on the leader. The drop, the layup low, the putback, the basket down. Christian Hopkins scores down low. Foul number 8. That is his first personal foul, first team foul for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's the pass on the wing, the shot for three, another short rebound. Here's Barangay San Jose back on the leader. Here now on the way. Good defense. 2-on-1, 3-on-2. The shot, the drop, the floor is good. There's a foul on player number. Foul on player number 27. That is his first and for second team, rather, for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. First shot, no good. The last shot, no good again. Got over the rebound, Kalinaw on last touch. Ball goes the other way.
Yata pumunta. Yata makakalaro.
Here's the pass on the wing. Tonomayo. Here's the drive. Kick it out. 5 on the shot clock. The jumper. No good. It goes out of bounds. Ball goes back on Barangay Santa Cruz 2. 13 on the shot clock. Here's Tamayo on the post against Happy. They turn it over. Here's now the transition. Barangay San Jose on the way. Teardrop no. Here's the rebound. Barangay Santa Cruz back on the leader. Here's Tamayo on the baseline. Turn it over. Ball goes the other way. Here's a traveling violation call on. Barangay San Jose. Ball goes the other way. Here's Barangay Santa Cruz on the letter now. Ball team almost loses, but there will be a foul. Foul there, number 4. That is going to now making his first personal foul. First team foul for Barangay San Jose. They look for a drive. There's a pushing foul call on player number 21. Foul on player number 21. That is his first. Second team for Barangay San Jose. Here's a drive inside. Floats one off the glass. 2 points. Kalinawan almost loses. They give it alive. The give and go. The shot jumper. 2 points. The shot short, rebound, bomb, fake again, double fake, no good. The rebound, here's Barangay San Jose on the letter now. They're on the transition, runs it up, face it up in the foul. Foul number 8, that is the second personal foul. 13 foul for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. First shot is good. Here's the shot. Another foul. Foul on there, number 21. That is the second personal foul. 13 foul for Barangay San Jose.
Pag bumangga po, wasak. Kahit tatlo ba? Kahit tatlo ba?
Here's the last shot for JL Eraso. The shot is good. 2 for 2. Substitution. Kalinawan checks in for player number 21. 5:30 remaining on the first quarter. Here's the kick out. Here's the drive. Spin and a foul. Foul of player number 77. That is Justin Tamayo. Making his first personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's a cross court. The shot wide open for 3. Thrown down 3. Here's the shot to answer. Short. Rebound to Mamao. There's now Barangay San Jose on the way. They drop it, they spin, they lose it away. Here's Barangay Santa Cruz on the transition. Tamayo on the leather. Drop it to Eraso inside. Time out. Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Ball will stay on there, guys. Santa Cruz 2. 19 on the shot clock. Here's the cross-court pass. The shot from the wing. Hesitation. 10 on the shot clock. The shot from the wide open look. From down 3. There's a low count. Foul on player number 10. Penalty. That is a Spurs personal foul penalty. Here's now the ball from the wing. Ken on the shot off. It goes out of bounds. Ball will go opening with San Jose. Substitution. Here's Stevens on the leather. Here's the kick out. The shot for three. Down, three. Here's a pass. The shot, the answer, short. Battle for rebound. Tomorrow has it. They recover it, fake, shot, foul. Foul on their number one. That is Dexter Tomao picking his Spurs. 14 foul warning for penalty for Barangay San Jose.
Sistema talaga ulo. Sistema nila. Yung maganda kung talagang gusto yung finals lang. Huwag na maglaro yung iba. Parang 8 players na pampaikutin. GS ka 8 players lang. May rules. Wala din eh.
Last shot
Bakit naman
for Jay Alanas is good. Here's Mark Stevens on the leather now. Here's the kick out of the corner, the shot for three, no, rebound, fake, drive, eat on the shot clock, fly by, the shot for three, good, they recover it, Walted, almost stolen, Eraso with another now, on the double team, Tomao with a steal, is now hopping on the way, Hammond stepping outside, the Stevens layup, no! It was a foul there, number 11. Penalty. Foul number 11, that is his first personal foul penalty. First shot for Gio Eraso, no good. The putback, no good. Number 11 has the rebound. Here's Stevens, the shot from the corner, no. That comes up too strong off the last 2 points. Timeout, Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the leather, 15 on the shot clock. 10, Shot short, rebound. They recover it, they spin, no good. There is a whistle. Foul there for 6.
Sige po, depensa. Depensa pa, wala.
That is first personal foul penalty. Offensive foul another. Ball goes on Barangay San Jose. The shot for 3, Tomamo missing. Here's the drop, fake shot, no good. They grab another rebound, Herazo can't get out, Marceliano with another, 10 on the shot clock. Out of bounds, ball goes the other way. Tomamo on the leather, gives it to Stevens. Cross-court pass, Happy, back number 11. Back to Stevens, penetrates, kicks it in, fake shot, drop Tomamo, no. Back up for the rebound, that shot is good. Kalinawan with a putback. They lead by 12, 45 seconds in just the first quarter. Foul on there number 4. That is Kalinawan. That is the second personal foul penalty. First shot is good for Gio Herazo.
Hindi papasok eh, 30 seconds. Papayin mo, para nagpasabi.
Here's the drive with a good move. Kalinawan just missing the shot. What a move with a step through. Substitution. You'll see it checks in for Kalinawan. That will be the end of the team Barangay San Jose. Shot is good, 2 points. Here's now Barangay San Jose back on the leather. There's a foul there, number 5. First personal foul, first team foul from Barangay San Jose 2. Here's the long pass to number 3. 5 on the shot off the glass, no. Stevens, basket down and 1. Mark Stevens. Foul there, number 9. 10 rather. That is the second personal foul, second team foul for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Mark Stevens converted 3-1 play. Foul number 7, that is his first personal foul. First team foul for Barangay San Jose. Lead down by 7 points. Here's Barangay San Jose back on the line. Here's now the shot for 3. Another foul. Foul player number 19. Foul number 19, that is his first personal foul. Second team foul for Barangay San Jose. First shot, no good. Seven-point game still led by Barangay San Jose. Garcia with another. Garcia on the move, inside, penetration, the shot for 3. Short. Foul number 7 next. That's the same personal foul, 13 foul for here's now Stevens, penetration, loses off his hand, ball will stay. 2 seconds on the shot clock. 2 seconds on the shot clock. For second shot clock violation. Shot 2 points. Here's the penetration. Stevens loses it away. Here's the layup. 2 points. Here's the front fade, the shot is good, 2 points. Here's number 27, kicks it out of bounds, ball goes back on Barangay San Jose. Here's the drive, the layup, the basket is good. It goes out of bounds. Ball goes back on Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the leather. Here's the drive. The mid-range jumper. In and out. Here's the top, the Stevens layup. What a give and go, layup is good. defense for the steal. Foul there number 5, that's second personal foul. Here's the drive, Garcia inside, double clutches, no. He got his own knees, reverse, no good. Here's the jumper, 2 points. Here's the against the Lewis inside to Tamayo. Tamayo penetrates over 2 defenders. Justin Tamayo managed to score inside. Here's now the drive to answer with their own play. Top play of Westwood. Here's what against San Jose on the ladder now. They lead by 11 points. We're halfway of the first half. Here's now what against Santa Cruz. Down on the corner. Back number 27. Penetration. Kick it out once again. Extra pass for 3. Too strong. Rebound, they will keep it alive. Ball goes the other way, last touch with the guy. Santa Cruz 2. Here's the outlet pass. Ball moves it. 15 on the stop. The shot for 3, air ball, out of bounds, ball goes the other way. There's another whistle foul call there, number 4. Foul number 500.
Okay ka daw, G.
Here's the kick on the corner. Hesitation, number 5. Back on the corner, number 21. Double clutch. Moves it away. Here's Barangay Santa Cruz on the run. Lays it up. Get out of here. But the putback is good. Shot no good. Rebound Barangay San Jose on the transition. 3 on 3. The layup. 2 points. Bring it San Jose on the line now. The shot for three. No. Here's the jumper. 2 points. The lead is down by 9. 2:08 remaining on the first half. Down 3. Foul on number 2. This is first personal foul. 14 foul warning for penalty for Barangay Sandali's team. Here's the drive, the shot, the floater is good. Here's now player number 9, lobbing off fake, the shot, battle for the loose ball, another steal. They recover it, the wide open shot, 2 points. And there goes the steal, the layup, 2 points, 50 seconds. Shot lead, 2 points. Again, it is a 16-point game, 30 seconds. Shot from way downtown, no good, but the layup is good, 2 points. The lob down low, good look, that was too strong. Here's the outlet pass. The layup is good, 2 points. And that will be the end of the first half. The final score is 53-41.
Sigaw mo ulit. Tinanong ko nga kung walang foul yun eh. Sigawan mo nga ulit. Walang foul yung bola. Bakit walang foul yun? Kumbay.
Here's now Barangay San Jose back on the leader. They drive it, they extra pass, fakes, kick out. Another pass, staying on the shot clock. The lob from down, the shot is good. A step back to Tamayo with a look. Traveling violation, ball goes the other way, turnover. is good. Foul player number 2. That is a second personal foul. First team foul for Barangay San Jose. Shot no good. It's still 11-point game. 8:05 remaining on third. Stop. Looks for another pass. Step back. 3. Go to another. No. They grab their own miss. The cross-court pass. Steps to number 9. Cross-court pass once again. Hesitation. 5 on the shot clock. Drop. Shot. Reverse. Layup is good. Here's the shot, no good. The rebound, no good. The putback, it's in. 2 points. Now, foundation ball goes the other way. Extra pass from outside for 3. No, off the backboard. And the ball will stay 12 on the shot clock. Last touch by Barangay San Jose. Pumamo with a steal, but they were being fouled. Foul on player number 6. That is the second personal foul. First team foul for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's the shot. Hesitation. Extra pass. Passes it down low. Almost. But they bring it back. Here's now up it inside. Drop it to Tumamo. Dexter Tumamo. That is a 13-point game once again. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the other. Tamayo sets up the screen down to Erazo. Passes back to Tamayo. Tamayo on the post. Bodies up. Floater no. Put back no. Another defensive rebound. They bring it back. Tamayo fade. Shot. Foul. Foul player number 2. Foul player number 2. That is his third personal foul. Second team foul for Barangay San Jose. First shot no good for Justin Tamayo.
Sama ka, pagsama ka. Sige, sige, tabay. Baka dyan matulog.
Here's the layup, 2 points. Here's now, Peravias down to Erazo. Erazo with a look. Erazo inside. Penetration. Drop it out of bounds. Ball goes the other way. Substitution.
Tanong mo pang anong kasi may high and low. Tanong mo na lang kung pang anong kotse.
Alam na nila. Stevens almost made it down, but there will be now player number 27.
Pero dyan kasi Jelly para
Second personal foul on player number 27. That is his first team for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. First shot from Mark Stevens, no good. Here's now player number 8, fakes. Raso on the move, loses the way. Here's now hopping on the way. Mason number 2. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the leather, down to Tamayo. Down on the baseline, extra pass. Shot from the down low, 5 on the shot clock. The flutter is in, 2 points. They will get out of bounds. Ball will stay. Timeout, Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Here's the pass on the border. There was a foul number 19. That is a second personal foul. 14 foul for Barangay San Jose. Warning for penalty. 16-point game, 3:31 remaining. 14 on the shot clock. Taking it, the shot for 3. No. Rebound, back for the loose ball. Mark Stevens with a rebound. Pass it away. Garcia with a layup. Removes it off his hand. Turnover. Shot number 1 the other end. No good. Tamao with a rebound. Garcia on the way. Garcia with the move. Off the back shot is good. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the handle. 5 on the shot clock. Just shot for 3. No good. There was another foul penalty. Foul player number 1. That's Dexter Tamao. That is the second personal foul penalty for Barangay San Jose. 2:31 remaining on the third. Justin Tamayo shooting 2. First shot is good. Last shot is good. Foul on number 1, that is his third personal foul penalty for Barangay San Jose. Here's now Mark Stevens. Lob it off. The pass is too strong. Turning over. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the way. Here's the layup. Here's the drop. The fake. The shot. The dribble. They will take it out. 15 on the shot clock. The kick on the corner. Hesitation. Drive. Shot. Block. Rebound. Here's Barangay San Jose. Goes back on the letter. That throwaway pass. Another outlet pass. Fake shot. Kalinawan kick it out. That shot for Trey Garcia. No! Ball goes out of bounds. Ball goes the other way. Substitution. Here's now number 8 inside. That was a dumb shot, double clutch layup. But still managed to get it in. Here's now player number 19 inside. Penetration. Drop it to Kalinawan. Kalinawan on the layup. No. Put it back. Basket is good. Foul on player number 9. 10 rather. Foul number 10, that is his third personal foul, second team foul for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Three-point play completed for Kalinawan. Here's the drop pass down low, the layup is good, 2 points, the lead is now by 17 points. 50 seconds in the third quarter. Here's a cross-court pass. Another cross-court pass. Drop it on Kalinawan. Extra pass. Kalinawan lose it away. Barangay Santa Cruz back on the nether. 35 seconds. The pass on the corner. The handle. The cross-court once again. Neem. The shot for Trey. Too strong. The layup is good. 2 points. Kalinawan with the steam. Pumps it up. Too strong. 5 seconds. And that will be the end of the third quarter. The official score is 79-60. 19-point game limited. Here's now the pass to Tamayo. The ball come down low, reverse. That was hard. Tamayo gets the offensive rebound, put it back in. 2 points. Here's now Barangay San Jose on the leather. The drive off the foot, bumps. Kalinawan over 3-man. Layup no. Here's now Barangay Santa Cruz on the way. Cross-court to Tamayo. Passes inside, jumper mid-range, no. Rebound Stevens. Stevens on the leather. They drop it, fake, shot, bump, no, rebound. Yes, now Tamayo with the leather. Fakes, passes to Neem, the shot for 3. Air ball, out of bounds, ball goes the other way. Dexter Dumawa checks in for Kalinawan.
Magaling ka pa doon. Alam mo yan. Mag-impart sa
Here's the shot for 3, no good. Here is now Neem on the way. There was a foul. Foul number 7. That is the second personal foul, first team foul for Barangay San Jose. Tamaya on the pump, the fake shot no good. Stevens with a board. Traveling violation, ball goes back on Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Shot no good. Here's Stevens again on the leather. He kick it out. The shot from outside. No, misfires. Rebound. Ball goes the other way. Here's now Eraso on the move. Bounce it up over to Mamao. Here's the shot down low, 2 points. Timeout, Barangay Santa Cruz 2. 9 seconds in the fourth quarter, 81-62, 19-point game, led by the home team, Barangay San Jose. Here's the outlet pass, the lob, the block.
Bad boy ka na ngayon.
Here's now drop inside. Foul number 3. There's his first personal foul. Second team foul for the team of Barangay San Jose. Here's the jumper. Oh, the catch no good. Battle for the rebound. Down grab your own miss. Shot no. Here's the outlet pass from Stevens. To float, no. Fake shot, 2 points. Here's now number 8 on the leather, 15 on the shot clock. Down on the wing, jumper, in and out, rebound to Mama. Here's now Barangay San Jose on out that pass. The layup is good, 2 points. Yes, now. No good. Foul here, 7, Mark Stevens. That is his third personal foul, 14 foul, warning for penalty for Barangay San Jose. Substitution. 12 seconds on the shot clock. The shot from outside, block. Tokmao battles for it, down on the other end. There will be foul number 8, that is his third personal foul, first team foul for Barangay Santa Cruz 2. Got a first lay of 2 points. Shot jumper and a foul there, number 21. That is his third personal foul penalty. The first shot is good. One for 2, rebound. Foul number 1. That is his fourth personal foul, warning for foul down penalty. First shot is good. .40 remaining. 24-point game. On the shot clock, the wide open look for 3, no good. Rebound, dividend, spins. Loses out of bounds, ball goes the other way. Almost out of bounds, stand on the shot clock. The shot off the glass, no good. Rebound, Tamayo pumps, fakes, block from behind. 10, 11 on the shot clock, substitution. Reverse layup, no. Rebound, Barangay San Jose has it now. The transition run, layup and a foul. Unsportsmanlike foul call, player number 7 of Barangay Santa Cruz 2. We will rest for 3 minutes. 2 free throws, 1 goal possession awarded for Barangay San Jose. Here's now player number 16 on the leather, 10 on the shot clock for Barangay San Jose. Cross-screen pass number 5, drop it, step back, 5. The shot jumper, long 2 jumper, no. Rebound. Here's the drive inside. Ball will stay, 15 on the shot clock. Here's now Barangay San Jose has it now, it's on time.
nabago.
Here's the outlet pass, the layup, 2 points. Here's Marasol with the leader. Inside, lays it up, 2 points. .2:15 remaining on the fourth. 26-point game, 15 on the shot clock. Marisol Guy with the leather. The cross-court pass. The jumper. Too strong. Last 10 minutes. The lob is good, 2 points. And that will be the end of the ball game. San Jose secures their second win of the 2020.